Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to switch ARLO Pro for Wi-Fi. So first, click the button on the bottom of your camera till you hear click. Now, take off your camera. Here is the battery. If you don't have it inserted, then the battery, it should be in the box with the camera. Go into the dashboard and click the gear next to your device, then Wi-Fi network and change network. Now connect to a network that you want to be connected to. Okay, I didn't want the flashlight. Please, thank you. And now it is connected. Remember that you can't connect to a 5G network because the camera doesn't support it. Then click continue. If you don't have SSID automatically, then you need to put it manually and then type in the password to your Wi-Fi. Click continue. Once again continue till you see the QR code and now click this button and till you see the blue light. If you don't see it, then click it once again. Sometimes it requires to double click and scan the QR code till you hear a charm. Then continue. And now it is looking for the ARLO camera. Sometimes it takes 10 seconds, sometimes it takes 5 minutes. So I'll be back with you when it's all ready. And now our camera is ready. Just click finish and done. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.